At some point it has been in an accident. So you can see here it is somewhat straight and nice, and here you can see you can put your finger between it. So yeah, got some job to do. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Fix this little dent. Alright, starting to get something now, straighter than it was. Yeah, this is better. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Now, time to weld. Got some pieces I need to make, then weld them in. So, next project. One more done. Couple more to go. Won't be filming all that. Right, let's see if it fits. Okay, this will be nice. Right, time to do this side. Not that bad, but yeah, I have fitted the wheels I want to have on it. As you can see, it doesn't look like I need to widen the flare anymore. I think this will be nice. Not too much out. This will be sweet. Yeah. Some small rust spots, but nothing I can't manage. So yeah. So since I'm gonna lower it, there will be less air for the engine, so was thinking of making some air vents around here. So first I need some measuring. So the rear lights will come to here and there. Okay. That's nice. So I'm gonna make some holes between here. So let's see if I can make some dimples. See. There. Maybe. Yeah. Perfect. So, we'll do that with all of them. Perfect. Right. Now the air vents are done. Just put on the rear lights to mock up. Right. I thought I was like almost done with the body, but a new idea popped up, so gonna make some holes on each side. You will see why soon enough. right? Some Bondo and a little filler, and then this is done. More of this in a later episode. I bet you can imagine what this will be, but we'll see. Right, now the doors are ready. Ready for paint. Right, now the doors are ready for paint. Just put some epoxy on them. Epoxy primer. Right, now the doors and body is ready for paint. So on to the bumpers. So next episode will be fixing the front bumper and making a new rear bumper. So stay tuned.